Let's learn about the Rule 5, Safe Reversing Practices. Today in this scenario, we are going to learn how to reverse truck. Before reversing, there are a few things we must check. Check the area around the truck. Check the reverse horn. Check the rear camera. Check the spotter's sign and follow the instruction. Now observe Mr. Unsafe. Person directly entered into the truck without checking circle of safety. Oh no, didn't follow the instructions. Look at truck. Let's recreate the Safe Act. Check the area around the truck. Great work. Let's get entered in the truck. Check the rear camera. Nice work. Check the spotter's sign and follow the instruction. Check the right side mirror. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 5, Safe Reversing Practices. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 6, Do Not Reverse Without Visibility. In this scenario, we will learn how to reverse the truck with less visibility. There are a few things which we need to check. Check the right side mirror. Observe the traffic marshal in rear view mirror. Oh no, didn't follow the instructions. Check the rear camera. Let's recreate the Safe Act. Check the right side mirror. Great work. Call the traffic marshal. Observe the traffic marshal in rear view mirror. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 6. Do not reverse without visibility. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 7. Driver fatigue and drowsiness. Observe the driver. He's feeling tired and he is not wearing a seatbelt. Look at driver. Look forward, coworker is going to hit the next truck. Oh no, didn't follow the instructions. Let's recreate the Safe Act. Observe the driver. He is wearing the seatbelt. Due to a long drive, the driver became tired and requires rest. Inform the driver to park the vehicle at a safe spot. Please click on the Yes button. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 7, Driver Fatigue and Drowsiness. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 8, Sleeping and Resting Under Vehicles Strictly Prohibited. In this scenario, the worker is taking rest under the truck. Observe the worker. Look at the sleeping worker under the truck. A coworker was sleeping under the truck, and the driver entering into the truck directly without performing a 360-degree check around it. Look at driver. Oh no, due worker and driver's careless behavior worker got heavily injured. Let's recreate the safe act. Look at the sleeping worker under the truck. Check the area around the truck. Click on the next button to proceed. Mr. Unsafe, follow pre-vehicle drive check. To cause any incident, we must follow a pre-vehicle driving check. Let's check. Observe the driver approaching the truck. Driver finds worker sleeping under the truck and wakes him up and informs him to sleep somewhere safe. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 8, sleeping and resting under vehicles strictly prohibited. Great work. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 9 overhead power line awareness. In this scenario, we are moving a dumper with the hydraulic trolley raised to the top. Observe the signboard. As the driver ignores the sign and continues moving to its destination. Oh no, due driver's careless behavior. Dumper collides with the power line. Let's recreate the safe act. Look at the height restriction board. Check the right side mirror. After observing the signboard indicating a height restriction ahead, it is necessary to lower the elevated trolley. Click on Stop button. Now let's lower down the elevated trolley. Click on the next button to proceed. Observe the right mirror to check if the trolley is safely moved down. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 9, overhead power line awareness. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 10, safe parking and engine shutdown. In this scenario, you will learn how to park a vehicle safely and the key measurements involved. Handbrake, turn off engine, remove key, wheel chocks. Now let's visualize the unsafe act. To cause any incident, we must follow a vehicle driving check. Observe the checklist UI. Now let's do the safe act. Pull the handbrake. Nice work. Press the button to turn off the engine. Remove the key. All right, let's step out of the vehicle. Sometimes the vehicle moves in reverse on its own. Apply wheel chock. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 10, safe parking and engine shutdown. Let's learn about the Rule 11, weather and road conditions. This scenario explains the safe distance to maintain while driving in thick fog and low visibility. Observe the speedometer. Look at the road. Oh no, it was too close. The speed during foggy weather should not exceed 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. Let's recreate the safe act. In the safe act, we will follow road safety measures that should be observed during foggy weather. Observe the speedometer. Press the brake button to reduce speed. Great. We should keep a safe distance while driving, especially in foggy and low visibility conditions. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 11, weather and road conditions. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 12, unauthorized and untrained driving. Oh no! This can happen because of careless behavior. Ask the driver to get off the truck and check if he is authorized to drive the vehicle or not. Click the exit button to get out of the vehicle. Before letting anyone drive, we should always check their driving license. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 12, unauthorized and untrained driving. Now let's move to the next scenario. Let's learn about the Rule 13, Stop Work Authority, SWA. This scenario teaches us to park the vehicle and notify the supervisor during bad weather. Oh no, the weather is extremely bad. Find a safe place to stop the vehicle. Click the stop button to stop the vehicle. Inform the supervisor. Hello, Mahesh, sir. The weather is extremely bad. I have parked the vehicle safely and will continue to the destination once it clears. Excellent. You have completed the Rule 13, Stop Work Authority.